Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 10, tenths and hundreds. In our previous video, we learned about important points related to the unit tenths and hundred. We have written some of the points which describes about the using of decimal and separating the numbers, and we also learned about the standard units related to measurement of distance like centimeter, meter, millimeter and kilometer. In our this video, we will solve some of the sums related to the standard units and decimals of tenth and hundred through the measurement of distance. So student, take out your notebook, take a new page and write down question 1. Convert into millimeter. First sum 0.4 centimeter. Now how can we convert centimeter into millimeter? We are supposed to convert centimeter into millimeter. It is 0.4 centimeter. Directly we can write down as 4 millimeter. Directly we can write down as 4 millimeter. Directly we can write down as 4 millimeter. But if we want to solve the sum, students, then whenever we are converting a bigger standard unit, a greater standard unit which is centimeter, to a smaller one which is millimeter, we are always supposed to multiply the number. If I multiply 0.4 into 10, why did I take 10, students? Because 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. 0.4 multiplied by 10, this decimal will move one more digit this side, so it will be 4. How much it is? So convert into meter. 0.4 centimeter is equals to 4 millimeter. Understood, students? Whenever we want to convert a greater standard unit to a smaller one, we are always supposed to multiply it by its part. So in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. So we have multiplied it by 10. 0.4 centimeter multiplied by 10, we will get 4 millimeter. Same way, next sum 9 centimeter is equals to 9 multiplied by 10. We get 9 tens are 90 millimeter. So this way we can convert the centimeter into millimeter. Here I have done two sums and I will give you two sums for homework which you are supposed to do in your notebook. So I am writing down the homework here, students. In homework, first sum is 0.8 centimeter and your second sum is 5 centimeter. This you are supposed to solve in your notebook. Now let's move to question number 2. Convert into centimeter. Here we are supposed to convert the sums into centimeter. The first is 3 millimeter. We are supposed to convert 3 millimeter into centimeter. As I have taught you, directly also we can convert it into centimeters. If it is only 3 millimeters, then we know that 3 millimeters is equals to 0.3 centimeter. But how to solve it systematically, that we will learn here. As millimeter is a smaller standard unit in compared to centimeter. Centimeter is bigger one. So whenever we are supposed to convert a smaller standard unit to the bigger one, we are always supposed to divide it by its parts. So in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, so we will divide it by 10. Now 3 divided by 10. So we will get, if 3 divided by 10, then we will get the decimal point 0.3 centimeter. We will get 0.3 centimeter. Understood, students? How we got 0.3 centimeter? See, I will explain you here. We are supposed to divide 3 by 10. Obviously 3 is smaller than 10, so we cannot divide it directly. So we will first of all put a 0, then we are supposed to take a decimal here. After putting a decimal, we can take a 0 after the number. So now it is 30. So 10, how many are 30? 10 3s are 30. Remainder 0 0. So we got the answer 0.3. Directly also we know that centimeter 3 millimeter is the 3/10th part of a centimeter. It is how much part it is? It is 3/10. So it can be written like this, 3/10. It is 3 divided by 10. So the answer what we got is 3 divided by 10. So 0.3. 3 is the number, point here, 1 decimal. So point of decimal is here, and 3 1 digit after the decimal. So 0.3. I hope you have understood, students. Now second question, we can see 15 mm. Now how we are supposed to convert it? 15 mm is 15 divided by 10. Directly also we can write down as 15 divided by 10, then it will be 1.5 centimeter. How we got? We will see it by dividing the number. 15 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, remaining 5. Number is there, putting a point here. Let's take decimal. 10 5s are 50. 0 0. So we get 1.5 centimeter. Understood, students? Now I will give you homework in this question also. Here also in homework I will give 2 sums. First one is 6 mm and second question is 30 mm. Understood, students? Question number 2. Now question number 3. Convert into centimeter and millimeter. Now let's convert. Centimeter and millimeter. We are supposed to convert it into centimeter also and into millimeter also. First you can see here is 5.6 centimeter, 5.6 centimeter. Directly also we can write down as 5 centimeter and 6 millimeter. 5 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Both the thing we are supposed to separate. So we will write down easily. It will be 5 centimeter as it has been separated by the decimal. Before the decimal it is centimeter, and after the decimal point it is millimeter. So 5 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Second, 25.4 centimeter. 25.4 centimeter. So it will be 25 centimeter and 4 millimeter. So students, this types of sum I have taught you to solve directly. We have done this in our textbook also. Here also I will give you some homework. Your homework is first one 6.5 centimeter and second one 34.8 centimeter. 34.8 centimeter. Okay. Now, question number 4. Convert into centimeter. Convert into centimeter. What is given to us is here 6 meter. What is here? 6 meter, and meter we are supposed to convert in centimeter. Students, we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Here meter is there and we are supposed meter is a greater unit than centimeter. So when we are supposed to convert a greater unit into the smaller unit, we are always supposed to multiply. So 6 centimeter I want to convert in meter, I want to convert in centimeter. Then what we will do? We will multiply 6 into what is the centimeter part? It is 100th part, isn't it? So we will multiply by it 100. So 6 multiplied by 100, we get 600 centimeter. Understood, students? Then it is 18 meters. Then 18 multiplied by 100. 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters, so we are multiplying it by 100. 18 hundreds are 1800 centimeter. Now here also I will give you some homework. I hope you have understood the question. Seven meter, and second one is 24 meter. Okay. Next question we can see. Question number 5. Convert into meter. Convert into meter. The first one is 200 centimeter. Students, now here centimeter is to be converted into meter. So a smaller unit is to be converted into the greater unit. So here we will divide. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So we will divide it. That is equals to 200 divided by 100. When 200 divided by 100, we get 2 meter. The answer is 2 meter. See, we can also divide it here directly also. 200 is to be divided by 100. 200 divided by 100. 100 2s are 200. 0 0. Second sum, we can see 1100 centimeter is equals to 1100 divided by 100. 100 11s are 1100, so it will be 11 meter. Now the homework of this question, I hope you have understood this question also. They are easy. First one, 800 centimeter, and second one 2000 centimeter. Now let's start with question number 6. Convert into meter and centimeter. Meter centimeter, isn't it? By putting a point. It is 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter is given. We are supposed to convert into meter and centimeter. So now meter and centimeter. Centimeter is given. We are supposed to say meter and also in a centimeter. So we will divide it by 100. So now it will be 150 divided by 100. So we will form the directly, if you want to do students, here are two zeros are there. So directly after 1 and 2 0 we will put point. So it will be 1.1 meter. 1 point, we can write dot 1 meter 50 centimeter, which is can be written as, by using the decimal, it can be written as 1.5 meter. Okay, how we got this answer? Let's see. 150 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100, remaining 50. Put a point, take a 0. 5s are 500. This is called 00. Understood, students? So here it is 1 meter and 50 centimeter. By putting a point, we can write 1.5. But what the question has asked us is meter and centimeter. So by bifurcating it into meter and centimeter, we will get 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Next sum. Four, 6, 5 centimeter. That is 465 divided by 100. Directly we can write two decimals, point after 1 and 2. 2 points. So it will be 4 meter 65 centimeter. Isn't it? Or by using the decimal, we can write down it as 4.65 meter. 4.65 meter. Understood, students? Here also we will have the homework. Two sums in homework. First is 270 centimeter and second one is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Understood, students? This you are supposed to do in your notebook. If you have the second semester notebook with you, then you are supposed to do it in your notebook. If you are not having the second semester notebook, then you can write down it in your rough notebook and then you can solve it in your notebook. Okay. I hope you have understood these sums of conversion into meter, centimeter and millimeter.